Good evening, Coach. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for being here today. My name is Yogi Satmalu Simanjuntak. I'm from Speaking Tree. Today, good evening, Coach. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for being here today. My name is Yogi Satmalu Simanjuntak. I'm from Speaking Tree. Today, I will present one of the interesting topic for me, and maybe it's also really related to our life. The title is Consequences and Mitigation of the Climate Change. Maybe some of us experiencing this kind of situation, we feel like it's getting hot today compared to last year or 10 years ago. And even we said that we cannot manage the air pollution anymore. So the question is it true? Or is it just like our hallucination? Let me explain it briefly. This is the historical data from temperature. As we can see here, the temperature is increased, and recently temperature increases significantly due to human activities such as deforestation, poor waste management, and industrial activities, and we can call it climate change. As a result, our Earth become an uncomfortable place for us to live. Unfortunately, if we still keep doing our current behavior or do like massive exploitation in oils and petroleum, the situation will worsen in the future. The temperature will increase until from 3 degree until 5 degree, and this is really bad, I think. However, we can keep the temperature or the increasing of the temperature below the 2 degree or even make it lower if we migrate our behavior, such as use public transportation instead of private transportation, and we can use like renewable energy and electric vehicle. This action should be taken started from now, I think. So the another question is like, why should we consider about the climate change? Why we should consider about the increasing of the temperature? The answer is really simple, because it will affect a lot of things to our life, such as it uh, affect to extreme weather and disaster, it increase the sea level rise, it will affect to air and water pollution, and it is also affect to our health, such as respiratory disease and asthma. Actually, I read a really good article maybe last week, and the title is really interesting. The title is Even the Plate Will Miss the Rice. For example, today we eat like a plate of rice, of vegetable and egg. In the future, in 2045, maybe some of us still live there. We only can eat a half plate of rice, of vegetable and egg. And after that, we might have difficulty to find the rice itself. So we should or we have to solve the climate change issue. Actually, as a global community, as a nation, we have a lot of collaboration to keep the temperature below 2 degree or even 1.5 degree by using like clean technology, do reforestation, do huge investment in the green energy and renewable energy, and reduce the greenhouse gas emission. We call it a Paris Agreement. This is several key elements and major outcome of the Paris Agreement. Actually, we can start it from ourselves, our family, or our office. For example, in Japan, we have campaign named Cool Beach Campaign in the summer season. And the idea is really simple, I think. We only change our formal clothes to casual clothes in the summer season, and it can limit the use of air conditioning. The result is really fantastic. It can reduce around 460,000 ton carbon dioxide emission and also increase the GDP around 18 million yen in the summer season. Then we can use like power setting items in the winter season. Actually, this is my personal experience. Instead of using air conditioning, we can use like electric blanket and electric jacket, and it can reduce electric consumption around 80%. For example, my last year electric bills was around 1,500 thousand rupiah per month, and today's electric bills was like 300,000 rupiah per month. Then another step is like if we want to go to the supermarket, we can prepare our grocery bag or our tote bag instead of buy plastic grocery bag because it can reduce around 80% greenhouse gas emission. I think it's really impactful. And this is the conclusion. Actually, we have a duty to hand down a sustainable earth to future generation. Let's take or make a small mitigation action to contribute to a better future for our planet. Thank you, Coach. That's all my presentation.